Bigben, the language school, provides various services under one roof, can take online, classroom group and one-to-one trainings, counseling and processing for the people looking for abroad studies. Services we provided: language training, English spoken, English voice and accent, French, German, Japanese, Spanish, Chinese, study abroad trainings, GMAT, CELPIP, SAT, GRE, OET, PTE, IELTS, the tech courses, big data, data science and business intelligence, AI and machine learning, cloud computing, Angli and Scrum, virtual and augmentation realities, game design, blockchain, robotics, web and app development, training for companies, soft skills, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, French, German, study abroad, study in Canada, study in UK, study Indiana, USA, study in New Zealand, study in Australia. YS, 5,000 plus happy students, strong teacher network, 50 plus courses, membership and accreditation, facility to take live sessions online and classroom in single fees, 4.5 plus star customer ratings at Google and other social media platform. Contact us at